Okay, good afternoon, students. Myself, Dr. Sujan Sinha, from the Department of Mathematics. Okay, so I will took your remedial mathematics classes for first semester. Fine. So before going to this, today is a introduction class because before today I have not got any kind of classes. So how many participants? 54. Okay, so this is the mainly the syllabus for. I think all of you have got the syllabus for remedial mathematics, aren't you? Hello?
No, sir.
Not yet. Okay, so
No, sir. No, sir.
do one, okay, see, do one thing. Just make a WhatsApp group and just with I will share the syllabus in that particular group. Okay. Hello. Hello. Am I audible, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I just request
Yes, sir.
all the students, okay, for making a WhatsApp group, and in that particular group, you have to share the roll numbers of today's class. Actually, this is you have to share the roll numbers of today's class. I will make those roll numbers to the ERP model. Fine. So, and in that particular group also, I will share this syllabus for your remedial mathematics class. Okay. So this is the, I think in your degree course, bachelor course, all of you, maximum of you have come through the streams of science, arts and commerce. So though all of you have mathematics or some of you don't have the mathematics subject, but the syllabus is a very simple way it's described. That means remedial mathematics. Okay. See, okay, 35 marks. Kindly mute your microphone. 35 marks for your theory part for remedial mathematics. Fine, and 15 marks, which is internal way you have to score. So 35 plus 15, that is the total mark of this subject is 50. And from those 50 mark, you have to got pass mark in both separate. Fine. So in the theory part, I think it's not audible clearly. Okay, whatever, if you have any doubts, listen carefully. Just kindly mute yourself now, because whatever you have doubts regarding the today's introduction class, you will ask me on the WhatsApp group that you have to make. And remember, in that particular group, you have to share your roll numbers also. Okay. Okay, so the main parts of your syllabus is, your syllabus is comprises of mainly 5 units, I think 5 units, yes. So from the 5 units, first unit is a very simple part, which contains some basic terms regarding class 9-10 mathematics actually. The first three parts, that is partial fraction, logarithm and function, these already you have got in class 9 and 10 mathematics. But for limit continuity you have to go through the concept of first year mathematics. That is the unit 1. And in unit 2, I think who's having mathematics in HS second and first year in science stream, those will have this part, matrices and determinants, and those who are not getting this unit, then through the classes of remedial mathematics, people easily will understood the concept of matrices and determinants. Okay, kindly kindly mute yourself. Okay, then the third unit. What is the third unit? Third unit contains the calculus portion. Again, for science stream students, this will be easily benefited for them because calculus differentiation and integration is not here. Differentiation. Differentiation part you have already learned in class 11 and 12, but for arts and commerce stream students, I think most of the students are from the science stream, so that's why that's not what problem you will face. Then unit 4 is nothing but analytical geometry, which gives what the concept of straight line and integration. That is, integration is a part from the calculus portion. And the last unit, that is unit 5, and there you will learn about the differential equation and as well as for Laplace transform. So these are the mainly the shortcut ways for the units that you will learn in remedial mathematics. Fine. So what is the latest books you have to consider? Here some books are written, but mainly I think it's not written over here. For that you have to follow these reference books as well as the one more reference book that is known as Sujan Mathematics. Okay, all of you clear? Sujan Mathematics. That is the writer is Sujan, H.K. Das and Dr. Rama Burma. It is not over here, I think. Fine. For
Sir, repeat once.
okay, the book name is Sujan Mathematics for class 11 and 12 by H.K. Das and Rama Burma. Okay, H.K. Das and Rama Burma. You have to follow the notes from that particular book. With that particular book, try to see this reference books also. But if you are not, if you're not able to hear me properly, I will just send this name of the book with the authors in the particular WhatsApp group. Okay. So from next class onwards, I will discuss the units one by one, and if you have any problems regarding the theory and problems, you will have to discuss with me in the particular WhatsApp group. Okay, so I just request one of you just to make a WhatsApp group and just give your attendance for today's class, today's introduction class. This is the introduction class. From next class onwards, we will discuss the units for your respective paper, what remedial mathematics. Okay, fine. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So just for now, you have to make a WhatsApp group. Just send your roll numbers, and there I will post the syllabus for your remedial mathematics part. Okay. Anyone just in the chat box? Many of are given as what? What is given like here? It would be easier to create a group, share the link in the common WhatsApp group, because we don't have the contact number of most of the customers. Okay. So for today, you will just send the roll numbers, and before the next class, I will definitely create a particular group. Okay, the message which is written in the chat box that I have to form the common WhatsApp group. So for that, I have to see the roll numbers that is given in the B.Pharm mentors group. So I have to collect your phone numbers from there. But for today, just by any means you will have to submit your roll numbers to me, such that I just would like to paste those roll numbers in the ERP model. Okay, and from next class onwards, definitely I will create a group, and I will make each and every one of you the participants of the particular group. Fine. Okay, for today, for just sending the roll numbers, or just sending the attendance, by any way you can choose to give your roll numbers to me. Okay, by half an hour. Fine. Okay then. So with this, I will just